Lesson 16, Duplicates. Well, Microsoft introduced a new feature in Excel 2007 called Remove Duplicates. This is an amazingly powerful command. My only problem with it is that it removes the duplicates very quickly and without warning. Sometimes we might want to take a look at the duplicates, and so we'll take a look at the new conditional formatting options that attempt to mark duplicates, and then how you actually have to mark the duplicates in order to get something useful. Alright, well first of all, let's take a look at the Remove Duplicates feature. I have 564 rows here, and let's say that I would like to see a unique list of customers that appear in this data. If we would go to Data, and then Remove Duplicates, I get to choose which fields I'm interested in. So in this case, I'm interested in the customer field. Click OK. There's only 27 unique customers and 536 duplicate values were found and removed. Click OK. Wow, that's a powerful command, but it's also a destructive command. I just lost 536 rows. So clearly you would not want to do this on your original data set. You would want to do it on a copy of your data set. Luckily for us, undo works. It'll bring all those other rows back. Now, another powerful thing about Remove Duplicates is that it's very good at doing unique combinations. So let me unselect all fields here and say that I want to see a unique list of customer and product. When I click OK, now I'm getting 81 unique values because I get to see every unique occurrence of customer and the products that they purchased. That's a pretty cool feature. Again, let me undo so I can bring those back. Now, if you don't want to remove the duplicates, if you just want to mark the duplicates in some manner, Microsoft seemed to give us an attempt to do this, although I think the attempt was misguided. On the Home tab, if we go to Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cells Rules, there is now an option for duplicate values. We can say we want to format cells that contain duplicates with, let's use red. Click OK. Click OK. Alright, so we have a few cells marked there. But let me go back into conditional formatting and say highlight cells, duplicate values, and show the unique values with perhaps green. Click OK. Click OK. Alright, now let's do an analysis of what is really going on here. I'm going to sort the data by invoice, and I made this a nice small data set so that way we could understand exactly what's happening. Invoice 2403 and 2407 appear in the list only once, and so they're marked in green. 2408 appears twice, so both records are marked in red. I'm not sure what that's good for if I'm trying to get a unique list of invoices. Again, 2416 is marked in red, 2424, these invoices only appeared once. So when we ask for it to mark the unique values, what it's doing is it's marking the invoices that appeared only once. But that is not what I think of when I say unique values. If I want unique values, I would want it to mark one of the 2408 invoices, so that way I could very easily sort by green and have just those invoices come to the top. The workaround for this is incredibly difficult, in my opinion. We would have to go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now, this is going to force us to build a formula here that's going to use a clever combination of absolute and relative formatting. We use equal COUNTIF, and the formula has to pretend as if it's pointing to the first row in the data set. So in this case, we're going to write the formula as if we're referring to D2. So we'll say $D, $2. Notice I put dollar signs there to say basically we want to go from the first row down to $D, no $2. This is the relative portion that allows the range to grow as we go down the data set. For example, in row 18, that formula will say we're going to count from D2 to D18. The 2 will always stay frozen. The 18 is allowed to move. And we'll check to see if it's equal to $D2, no dollar sign. If that's equal to a 1, then we know that we have the first occurrence of the invoice, and we can apply a format. Maybe I'll choose a fill color of light red. Click OK. Click OK. And you see what we have now is unique invoices. The first occurrence of each invoice is formatted. The ones that are duplicated, so here 2505, this is the second occurrence of invoice 2505. That's not the one that we want. So now we could sort by the custom format and bring those to the top and get a unique list of invoices. And those are the duplicates. So Microsoft has given us the brand new command to remove duplicates. It's very powerful. I guess if you make a copy of your dataset first, it's a useful way to go. The conditional formatting for duplicates and unique, I don't think is that useful. I mean, maybe there's a reason why you would need that, but they really need, in my opinion, to have something that says format the first occurrence I find of each item in this column, so that way we can get basically a list of unique values as we've done here. In Lesson 54, we'll talk about other ways to find unique lists using the advanced filter or a pivot table, which I think are much faster than the methods in this lesson. Well, I hope you found that helpful, and thanks for watching.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than Live Lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live Lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.